Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I'm still working on getting my Christmas ephemera into my journal, and I'm going to use this part of the fudge box that I got that my son gave me for Christmas, and I'm going to put it here as a pocket, and I'm just going to use this glue. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe today. And I thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to see what I'm creating. I think I'm also going to try to reinforce this with some staples because it's pretty heavy cardboard. And I want to make sure it stays on there. I'm only going to do this side and the bottom, because obviously I'm not going to be able to get it over there. But get as close to there. So now I have all these, oh, that one didn't even get in, these staples here. Showing through on the other side, which I'll have to figure out. I also thought that I could just kind of put him here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put, after it dries, I'm going to put this in here. That's going to go there. So I'm not sure I actually want to put anything that would cover that up. I have some tags that I saved from Christmas too that maybe I could just put like here. Oh, aren't they cute? These are all kind of the same, so maybe I could just do this. I don't know. I could just put this one in here too. Let's put this in. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and actually take this off and put a brad through it. Since I've already got staples, I'm going to put a brad through there, and we'll just put that on that way. I'm wondering if I should actually put these three here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Get another little, that brad is kind of big, or that hole is big, so I'm going to get a bigger brad. And we'll do that. So there's that. I think we have, I think we'll go ahead and leave that the way it is this time, at this time anyway. I think I'm gonna put Rudolph right here actually. I'm just gonna glue him down. And it is very heavy cardstock, so I don't know if I'm using the right glue or not. Oops. I didn't want to do drop glue on my other pages. Alright. So I'm really excited to get all this stuff in my journal. I think I need to put something heavy on top of this. Is it going to be okay there? Move it over slightly. Okay. More glue on the fingers. So I was thinking on this page I could put my other tags. I've got this, but I think this would look better, like actually on this page down. I can make a pocket out of that. I think that is what I'm going to do. Get this dry and down. I've got all of this ephemera that all goes together, And then I have pictures of my daughter and making it was like a gingerbread reindeer. So I still have so much stuff that I want to include. I'm not going to get to all of it. I think it's going to take a few, I don't know why this won't stick, a few pages to get all of this stuff in. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll come back and we'll figure out the next couple of pages. I still want to get these done in this video. I already filmed a clip about this page, I think a while ago, and so I don't remember what I said, so I'm going to say it again. Thanks for watching. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I appreciate you coming by. Today I'm going to put more Christmas packaging ephemera into my book and some photos, and I see this is really coming up here. I don't know if you can tell, but I think I'm going to have to glue it and tape it. I was hoping that I would not have to do that, but see if I can get some glue back in there. Maybe I can put, I already put something heavy on here though. Oh, it's coming out now. Oh boy, too much glue. So I had a book on top of this before, but I can't because it's got too much glue on it now. Some of you may have seen my brick before. I used to use it as my tofu press until I got a tofu press, but I'm not impressed with my tofu press, so I still sometimes use this one. If the tofu is not really fat tofu, it doesn't press anything out. So I think I was going to put this here. I don't remember what was on here. Something for 3 and under, ages 3 and under, and I was going to kind of put this like this with a brad. Alright, I think this is going to work. The brick did its job. I got some of the glue off. I'll have to get more off later. But I think I'm going to poke a hole right here, or should I put it up here? I think that's just not enough up there. Actually, I think maybe I will cut this out even more. Oh, I have something stuck on my scissors. Just to get rid of this part on here. I don't know if I want to cut out every little jagged edge. There. I don't remember what this was on. Some toy. Some kind of toy for Christmas. Alright, I think that's going to be much nicer. And we're going to put it right here. And I was going to use this white button, but now I want to see it. So it was going to be in the blue part. Maybe I'll use this little blue button right here. So let's do that. Poke a hole right here. And poke a hole right here and get this on. I feel like I should cut out his legs so he's not totally flat on the bottom. Okay, there we go. Let's get our little blue brad. And then figure out what else we're going to do here. I'll probably want to cover the prongs up again. So let's do that. Alright, so there's my cute little guy. Still see this down here, but I don't know for how long because I have a whole bunch of stuff that I want to put down. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all of this stuff in here. Got tickets and I think I'm going to put these down, but I'm going to cut just the message part. I've got, we went to go see A Complete Unknown. I got those tickets. I've got this spearmint thing. I don't want to cover up the gingerbread man. I think what I'll do, I've got all these tags. All this stuff here. I don't know if you can see it. I got to figure out some place to put all this stuff. So, let's go ahead and cut these out. I'm not going to show you me cutting everything out though. Alright, so I've got these down and I'm just going to move this out of the way and place these right here with double-sided tape. So I've got those there now. And so far so good. This is my little granddaughter got me this little snow globe for Christmas, so I'm definitely going to have to put that in somewhere. I am feeling really overwhelmed by all of this stuff, to be honest. Fleece blanket. I got that for my daughter. Or no, my daughter-in-law got me a blanket too, I just realized. This one, I've got a tape with my regular tape. This was a little bracelet from my oldest granddaughter, and I like both sides of this, so I don't want to, you know, tack it down. I don't want to glue it down. So I'm going to make a pocket with something. Got this Panera bread thing. What can I make a pocket with? Oh boy. I could... I'm going to need a pretty wide pocket. So I think I'll put my pocket on this page and put some of this ephemera in there. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. This was all packaging for the little gingerbread Rudolph that I made with Bethany. So I want to put pictures that I took too. I've got all of these in this. Hello Kitty. This is a little, my daughter-in-law is Korean and she had brought us some Korean treats for Christmas. So I think I'm going to put that right down here. Actually maybe I'll cut it. Like, I'm only going to have one layer for this. So I think I'm just going to cut this down. Fun having a multicultural family, because you get to try all kinds of new goodies. Alright, my other daughter-in-law is Palestinian, so she makes all kinds of yummy Middle Eastern type foods, which is awesome. And okay, let's put this down. I think, yep, there's some English letters there, so I'm putting it in the right direction. That's going there, so that's that. I was thinking, why don't I open these prongs up and put some more of these tags. I don't know how many I can fit. I definitely could fit Hello Kitty. So that's that. We got that there. Maybe I'll put my pocket here. Oh, family fun activity. That goes with that. I've got all these. Oh boy. Oh boy, I'm getting overwhelmed again. This goes with the other stuff too. Where did I put them all? Oh well. Oh, here they are. Up here. They're over there. Okay. Definitely could use these for some of the tickets, so I'll put that with the tickets. And I really want to get all this stuff in today. So I'm going to come back after I get my pockets and we'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to put my pocket on here. I just got this glue. I'm going to use this glue. And this is the paper that I chose. It's a Christmassy paper. So I'm going to put that right there. Let that dry a second. And then I'll put stuff in the pocket like this and this. Possibly, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this Panera Bread one. Okay, so then I have all of these that I think I'm just going to maybe glue down. Do I really need 2 Hello Kitties? Probably not. I think I will not throw it away, but save it for another day. And then, to save time, I'm going to just glue these down, like right up here maybe. They'll be hidden. I think so. I think that's a good plan. That's the empty one. I think that's a good plan because I really just want to get these things down. Do you ever get like that? Like you're behind in your personal journaling and you just want to get it down, so maybe you don't take the time to be as creative as you might if you had more time. There. So that's going to go there. That can go down again when that's dry. We'll put these 2 in here. And I have to get Rudolph off of here because I think this page is going to be for these tags. And so I think I'm going to put these all down here, and I'll have this one swinging from the top like that one. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So these are going to all be glued down. This hole doesn't have to be big. Alright, where did I put my brads now? Oh, I bet you I put them away. Nope, oh good. They're here. Yep, I need a brad, a big brad, like this one. Okay, so that's going here. We'll put that there. Alright, that's there. So I've got these down.